Good evening, everyone. Today, we will present our project, VIIV, Value Investing Intelligent Vanguard, a specialized LLM-driven intelligent system for automated Thai stock analysis. Since 2015, the number of Thai stock investors has continuously increased from around 1.2 million to approximately 4 million people, and many of them face several challenges. First, financial reports are large and complex, making them difficult to analyze. Second, there is an overwhelming amount of information, causing investors to miss important opportunities. Lastly, many investors make decisions based on emotion rather than data, which can lead to suboptimal investment outcomes. These challenges lead to our key stakeholders, Thai stock investors, and Thai financial analysts. Our goal is to build a reasoning-first LLM-powered platform for Thai stock analysis that provides versatile multidimensional analysis, a specialized Thai stock LLM, an integrated platform for data-driven decision-making, and a value-driven user experience. VIIV is a specialized Thai stock LLM analyst built on Qlara 5-June OpenThai-GPT 1.5.14b. It supports automated and real-time data retrieval, as well as multidimensional stock analysis. We provide four types of analysis. First, fundamental analysis. This analyzes the company business quality and long-term potential, such as its business model, competitive advantage, and growth prospects. Second, financial statement analysis. This evaluates the company's financial health, including profitability, stability, and cash flow. Third, technical analysis and visualization. This uses price chart and trading data to identify trends and patterns. And lastly, IAA consensus sentiment analysis. This summarizes analysts' opinion to reflect overall market sentiment toward the stock.
Next is our software demonstration. For this software demonstration, I would like to start by signing up as a new user. So type in this username, type in your email, and the password. Then click Create Account and wait for a few seconds. Then we are in the home page. So you can see that we have the information banner on top of the screen. So let's look into it. In this information banner, we have the instructions for the users to use our application, along with the warning that the AI may make mistakes. Next is the setting for the iframes that the user needs to set. Next, let's go through our main features. Start by typing /VIIV, click enter. Type in the stock name. Choose the topic that you want. Let's first start by price trend. And then type in any notes for the model. So let me ask for 3 indicators. Click save and then send message. The first feature that we would like to go through is technical analysis with visualization. So you can see that the chart will be displayed directly into the chat interface along with the analysis from the model. The chart is interactive. User can zoom in or zoom out and look into the detail in the chart. And here is the analysis of the model. Below that, you can also see our linguistic assertiveness index guardrail that we provide for the user, which will be triggered if the assertiveness in the response exceeds our threshold. The next feature that I would like to show you is the IA consensus sentiment analysis. So starting off doing the same, but this time choose the IA consensus, click save and then send message. This feature will retrieve the professional analyst opinions on the stock or the IA consensus from SetTrade website and display it directly into the chat interface, along with the analysis from the model. The next feature that I would like to show is the financial statement analysis feature, where the users are provided with the options between balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement that the user can ask directly to the model. So in this feature, it will show the financial statement that the user requested directly into the chat interface alongside with the analysis from the model to identify the financial health of the company or the stock that they are looking into. The next main feature that I would like to show is the 5611 report analysis, where the model will extract the specific insight from the 5611 report in our knowledge base using hybrid search. So the user can ask for a specific topic that they want to learn about and ask the model directly. The response of the model is grounded by the information retrieved using hybrid search from our knowledge base system. And here is the example of the retrieved information. This is the report retrieval pipeline, which is an external salary-based component that run in Docker Compose along with the Celery Beat and Redis. So this pipeline is the component that is responsible for the updating and ingestion of the 5611 reports in our knowledge base system. It utilizes the Typhoon OCR API to process the retrieved report to handle the complex structure of the 5611 reports. Next is our project completion status. We have already completed all the proposed features and there is no unmet requirements left. This is our final system architecture. This is our implementation architecture for our Q-LoRa model fine-tuning, including the use of PyTorch as a framework, and bits and bytes for quantizations, and ML4 for LLM ops and experiment tracking. This is our project deployment. Most of the instances are deployed in Railway, including the Open Web UI and the Postgres database. However, there are two inference engines that are deployed in Runpod, including the VLM for the main model and Infinity for the embedding model. We also utilize the AWS S3 for object storage. However, for the reports retrieval pipeline, this component is not deployed as we need to minimize the infrastructure expenses and avoid the 24/7 compute charges. However, we also face some system limitations, including the tokenization-induced orthography errors, where the segmentation corruption caused the prediction error in the next token. We also face the multilingual hallucinations or linguistic drift, where the model falls back to Chinese during the response due to its pretending bias from the Gwen model. And lastly, the non-deterministic rate limiting in VIIV Finance, which is the API we use to retrieve stock data, where we face unpredictable rate limit error even on a first API call of the session.
Next, We will present our result and evaluation. First, for software quality, we implemented and passed 37 CI test cases for the tools and pipeline. For model evaluation, we follow 3 dimensions: alignment, rigor, and accuracy. First is alignment, which measures semantic similarity using BERT score. Second is rigor, evaluated using GEVAL to assess reasoning quality and professionalism. Third is accuracy, measured by the pass rate on our MCQ benchmark exam. Here is the performance comparison between the base model and our fine-tuned model. After fine-tuning, the model shows a clear 12% improvement from the base model. Next is the user satisfaction evaluation. Based on the committee suggestion, we invite 3 users with different investing experience for in-depth testing. We conducted sessions to introduce the system and let them test the platform. After that, we asked them to complete a post-interaction interview and the system usability scale on Google Forms. For the post-interaction interview, these are the questions we asked the users. From the feedback, users mentioned similar points. The platform helped them save time in analysis, provide automated summaries, and support decision-making in an all-in-one platform. They also suggest some improvements, such as adding a stock screener for multi-stock analysis, minor inconsistency, and improving UI and data presentation quality. For SUS result, the system achieved a score of 79.17, which is considered good usability. To be concluded, for multidimensional analysis, we ensure reliability with 37 passing CI test cases. For the specialized high stock LLM, we achieved around 12.7% improvement in GEVAL and 83% in pass rate. For the integrated data-driven platform, users gave positive feedback on time saving and decision support. And for user experience, we achieved a SUS score of 79.17, which indicates good usability. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention.